Hi everyone, I am in transaction code SE24 and we have selected the sample class for browsing the various tabs in the object-oriented class. Now let us explore this methods tab. Now within methods again we have different types of we have these inherited methods. Okay, so as we saw the super class which is over here has certain methods which are available, public methods. If you scroll down, and then there is protected method and private method. So there is only one protected method in the super class. Now let's come back over here and see in the subclass or the child class, all these public methods have been inherited from the super class. At the same time, there are certain methods which have been redefined. So we'll have a look at that, and then you can have your class specific methods as well. So if I click on this checkbox over here, and if you see over here, these are the methods which came from the super class, and these are the interface methods. And if you see over here, they have been redefined. So there is this button of undo redefinition, and this is to redefine the method. So if you select any inherited method, let's say this particular method, and click on redefine method, you can redefine this method or have your own code, or within the redefined method you can have the you can call the super class method and have your own supporting codes above or below the call for the super class method using this particular redefine method button. And if you want to undo the redefinition, you have to click on this undo redefinition button. And the next column which you have over here is the level. So you can have an instance method and a static method. In case of attributes, you had constants also in the level. In case of method, you don't have a constant method, but you have instance method and static method. Instance method will be specific to an instance, and static method will be common across all the instances which have been generated in the calling program, function, module, or class. And it will share the and it will access only the static attributes which are available. Secondly, then you have this visibility, wherein you have different types of visibility: public, protected, and private. Similar to the attributes, public methods are accessible within the class, and it can be inherited and sent to the child or subclasses also. And the protected method, it is accessible within that particular instance, and it can be sent ahead to the child or the subclass. Private methods are specific to this particular class, and they will not be further propagated to the next child class if there is any child class to this particular class. Then this is the method type column. I have never used it. You have a description. Now, if you select on any method and click on parameters over here, you can see the various parameters attached to that particular method. You can have within parameters, importing parameters or exporting parameters, changing and return parameter. It is pretty much similar to that of the function module interface. However, if it is an instance method, it will be called only for that particular instance, and the return parameter will only return a particular value, and that can be used for further calculations. There is a minor difference between exporting and return parameter. Okay, then again you have pass by type parameter, similar to the function module, whether you are passing by type or value, then whether the particular parameter is optional or not. Again, the typing method, you can have like type and type ref to also. Let's say if one of the parameters is a type ref to any instance or any other class, interface or any other class, you can have a type ref to also over here. Associated type, again, whether which type of is associated, you can have a internally defined type also over here. Again, you can pass the default value, and then there comes the description. Exceptions, you can how in the function module you have exceptions, you can define your exceptions over here in this area. And then comes the source code. So because this is implemented in the super class, it is taking us to the super class source code over here. Yeah. And properties is the general, like which object type and method and all those things. These are the general properties over here. And let's go back to the methods. Yeah. And yeah, so that's it as far as methods is concerned.